viewers' questions, and starting an eBay business from scratch. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, helping serious entrepreneurs like you to sell your products and services online more effectively. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are a serious entrepreneur and you don't want to miss a tip that might help you to boost sales to your products and services and your business online. So today I'm answering a question in my viewers questions segment, and this question is about getting started on eBay. This was a comment that someone left in one of my videos, and if you have a question that you would like answered in a video format, let me know in the comment section down below, and if I feel like it's extensive enough, then I might answer it and feature it in a future viewers questions video. So this question reads, hey, I've just started out selling on eBay, mostly clothes. I buy from charity thrift stores for relatively cheap and sell them at a high price. The only problem is my profit margins are low. Is there any advice you can give? I know starting an eBay business requires a lot of independent work, but I was wondering if there is anything that would help me in the early stages. So there's a lot that is in that kind of comment that I can really speak about. The first thing is you're currently going to thrift stores and buying stuff cheap and then selling them for a higher price on eBay, which is great. Now, thrifting is a real thing. I actually done an interview with Margaret from Texas Girl Treasures. I'll probably leave that in the description down below, probably somewhere on this screen as well. Go and check that video out. What Margaret does is really awesome. She has a channel as well where she speaks about her experiences thrifting. Personally, I don't thrift, and I've never thrifted before, simply because it takes a lot of work to find individual products and then create listings for every single product that you find. And you kind of have to be somewhat interested in doing that in order to be very kind of successful at it, because it can take a lot of work. What I do is mainly wholesaling. So I've put out videos in the past about, you know, my experiences with wholesaling, finding products that sell really well, buying them in bulk and stocking them and putting them online. Now, there's no right or wrong way you can make money thrifting, but in terms of if you want to go for the products that are going to give you a higher profit margin, then you're going to probably have to invest more in kind of name brand products. And when you get your product as well, so when you go to a secondhand clothes store and you buy clothes or you buy whatever it is that you're buying secondhand, the best way to get the most value from it is to make sure that you're actually kind of cleaning it, you're shining it, you're making it look very presentable. You're doing all of the eBay etiquette stuff, which is taking really attractive photographs of your item and placing it on eBay, making sure you're using keywords that help you to get found as well. That's really important. And make sure you're selling products that are high in demand, that people are actually buying. So before you buy a product in a thrift store, quickly check on eBay and see how much has this sold for in the past. You can actually go to eBay and go to completed listings and find out what price range a certain product has sold for before you buy it in the thrift store. So that can help you out as well. My formula to starting out on eBay is quite simple. I don't complicate it at all. I always tell people to start off with what they have. So start selling on eBay products that that no longer fit you. So clothes that no longer fit you, that you already own, things that you no longer use. Maybe that you bought like a piano and you was going to start playing this piano and you just never played it. You can sell that on eBay and make some extra money. And that's a great way to boost your income, to make extra money, and to just get used to the platform, eBay as a platform, and get used to being a seller, and also to build up your seller rating as well. It's a great way to do that. And then once you have reached a stage where you've sold a lot of your old stuff that you no longer want or need, you can then contact your friends and family members and say, hey, look, I'm doing this thing on eBay. Do you have anything that you want to get rid of? There's so many people who have loads of stuff in their house that they just want to get rid of. And they might sell it to you for very, very cheap, cheaper than you'll get at a thrift store, because they're just trying to empty their house. Some people might even give it to you for free because they don't have the time, or they just can't be bothered to go and give this stuff to the charity shop or throw it away or do whatever it is that they need to do to get rid of it. So if you was to say to people, hey, look, I'm getting rid of old stuff, I'm going to come around your house and I'm going to collect all of the stuff that you don't want anymore, then that is really attractive to certain people, and that can help you to get really cheap products that you can then sell for a higher price on eBay. And then again, you're getting used to the platform, you're building up your seller rating, and you're generating an income as well. And you can use the income that you generate from doing those things to actually invest in wholesaling if you wanted to wholesale, or really buying in bulk some products that you think are going to really sell well on eBay. And by the time you are investing that money, you would have had some know-how in terms of how to list your products, how not to list your products, how to price your items, how to be competitive on eBay, and you will know eBay better as a platform and as a seller. So I recommend doing that. That's the number one thing I recommend someone to do when starting out on eBay, is to start like that. So hopefully this video brought you some value. And you know, I haven't spoken about eBay on this channel for a very long time, so check out some of my older eBay videos. I'll leave some of them in the description down below. But if you have any questions whatsoever about selling on eBay or starting online selling your products, then make sure you leave me a question in the comment section down below. I also have the formula, which is behind me, which is the free guide to generating online sales. That's more to do with how to create a product or a service, and then actually create a website for that and promote that via your own means. So if you want to know more about that, make sure you download it. It's completely free. But hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Download the formula. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.